Now I show you the position of the foot. See the front part. You can push better and easily. No?
Yeah, up on the ball.
You have more force. No?
Yep.
So this position is perfect.
Yes.
Lap by lap, maybe your foot will this position. It's normal because in this position you feel a little bit pain.
Yeah.
If you open this ankle,
I'm always very aware. I like to get more grip. Yeah.
mistakes. So try to fix.
Yes.
The legs, if the touch on the right, open your right leg, and the external leg is nearly the
Yep. Pressing. Yeah.
Okay. If you do this,
Yeah.
the legs, the bike touch is with your arms. If you use your arms to do this, what
Yeah.
you know,
And playing the steering.
and you make 2 laps after you have destroyed. So legs is the most important part. So the position when you are braking, your arms stay in this position.
Yep.
Keep strength, no? Handlebar.
Yep.
Not this. If you brake and you don't keep strength, then you go in this position, no?
Yep.
Watch a lot of space. Brake. When you are braking so hard, brake.
Yep. And it's like.
If I am in this position, I don't have the effort
Yes.
is a lot. So the straight goes, you can have your helmet here. This space is made for the helmet. So this position, braking. When you are braking, braking means you use 2 things or 1 finger.
One.
One. Okay. 1 finger. If you want to have more pressure, you can use. For me, I use 2 fingers because I have more power.
Actually, that's all right.
Yeah. So 2 fingers, and the position of the wrist is not in this position because I have pain. No?
Yep.
I try to open the ankle. So I do this. The position is this one. Brake. And when I don't shift, close all the throttle.
Yes.
Up shift, open all throttle.
Yep.
Okay. Close, close. That's very important. So the position, legs are very important, and when we ride always watch from never watch from front, always in front. So change direction, change direction, use the throttle. Start 1, 2, it's important to change direction with the throttle. Open the throttle and the bike goes to the top. Okay. If you don't
You're not even on the
exactly. So the change direction with the throttle. Because the bike is more easy to down. Throttle and go to the opposite. And close. Throttle and go to the opposite.
Using the throttle.
Yeah,
Stand
yeah.
you up. Stand you up.
Yeah. The throttle is your friend, you know? Sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. You can use this one for the... Okay, right.